seen how to create a fast API, and we have already tested directly with running the fast API file. So in today's video, we'll try to Dockerize this fast API and see how to run that. So as you can see here from the first line, it's the first line indeed, but the first line we start to with lightweight Python 3.11 image and name this as a builder. This helps us compile and install dependency in a clean, isolated environment. And the next one is work directory. So all commands will run inside app directory in a container. And now we need to install some dependencies. So here's is installing it's these Linux commands, and here we need to install GCC and sometimes sorry some let's say packages like NumPy or scikit-learn. They might need let's say C compilation. And the next line here, we have to copy the requirement files. I mean the requirement file from, let's say I have added here requirement, and copy it to the main directory, for example, to app. And here we need to install with no cache, and because we need to minimize the image size. The goal is to minimize the image size. And as you can see here, I have started with stages, and this will try to make it the let's see make it a clean and also minimize the image size. And of course, see you can see here the Python itself. So we have also to use Slim Python, and we have to run this. We create non-root user to follow, let's say, Docker security practice, and the work directory, it will be the same as the previous one. And we need to copy some files to the local, and also most important stuff is copy the source fast API Python file, I mean this one here, and put it in the main directory of the Docker, which is will be app. Also, if you have some other dependencies, you have to copy this. You have to copy it here, and because I have here anonymization, and I have to use some files, let's say, or functions or classes from this repo, so I have to add it also as well. And maybe if sometime so why add this just to make a directory, because in the beginning I was thinking if I would like to add the PyTorch model here, but after a while I said maybe it's not needed to have this. We need only an Onyx model, which is, let's say, easy, and you can run it in any environment and any let's say system. Okay, and here we have some secure files. So we change the file ownership and switch to app user again for let's say for just for the security. And for the set path, we need to make sure that we install Python packages like Unicorn are available in the shell. And here we have to expose. I mean, this is the port that we will call this. Let's see, when we run the Docker, we will try to call this localhost, and we can see the let's see the fast API. And for that, we can run the Streamlit or any application, another application that will try to test. Let's say, or just use this API. So the fast API will run as a server, and when we need somehow to detect the defects in images, we will send the images from any other application, and the fast API will receive the image, do the processing, pre-processing, and also the detection, post-processing, and return some results. And we have also seen the results last time. And that's it. And here we need to run Python Unicorn Fast API host 00 port and 8000. And here I have already started to run the Docker image. What if you would like to run the Docker image? Let's say I'm here in the the root directory. So here, this is the Docker. You can see. Let me just show you here. Here's the Docker. Here's the Docker image. Just remove and you collapse this. This is the main directory here, which is this MLOps, and the Docker file is inside Docker. And here I have said Docker build, then the file which is in a Docker file Docker. I will use this one here because you can define, for instance, here I have Docker file dot inference dot train dot. So it's let's see, possible to use this. And here the tag we have, the name, it's FastAPI anomaly anomorphism latest version. So this is the tag I would like to add. When it's completed, it will show you the latest version. And you can see I just run the images here. So once it's finished, I will be back and show you the image, and we can test it together. It's already built, so let's see. Open the Docker image. See, I mean the Docker itself, Docker desktop. Okay, so you can see here I have it's already built 10 minutes ago, and here this is the size of this image here. So let's just somehow minimize this. So you can see this is the size, and here we have the image. Now, if we would like to run, we can run it from here, or we can use the command line indeed. So, but let's just try to investigate, run, and I will show you also how to run it from the command line. Now this is still running, still not showing anything here. So let's see. This is our files. You can see here app, and we have anomorphism. It has also this distribution we have created, and also it has the fast API, the model, Onyx model. I think these are the most important stuff. And let's go to logs. Now we have, you can see here we can also run this edge localhost 8000. So now because it started reading, oh, yeah, no idea why it's not running from here. So let's see it run it from the command line. And here to run this, we need to add this, for instance. Run fast API, the port is 8000, restart and stopped, and here the latest version. You can see here we have the tag is the latest. So we can run it now. Hope it should work now. Or it will complain about it's not, yeah, it's running now. So let's refresh this. Hey, let me remove this. and do it again. So now we can run. It's strange indeed. So let's see what's going on here. There's also some commands to let's see investigate, and for instance you can see with logs, so you can see logs. Sometimes there's any libraries is missing, so it won't work. But it's running 8,000. Okay, now it's running. So you can see now it's our let's see FastAPI is running. This is let's see the health, and it's if you see here for instance slash health, you can get this one here, and you can see for instance docs. So you can we have a predict, and also we have predict batch. So now let's see how to use this FastAPI, and let's utilize this FastAPI. So let's go to our code, and I will go to source and streamlit app. So I will just open the terminal here, and let's see, I have built it, streamlit. Okay, so streamlit is using 8,000. So I have to restart this. I mean, it was using 8080. Now I think it should work. Let's just refresh. It's not connected. Maybe I need to stop this. Do it again. I just to make sure that it used 8,000. Without 8,000, it won't work because our server is listening key. Oops. Yeah, now as you can see, API is healthy. Now, if you remember last time when we run some images, so we have input some images from here. Battle, let's see, test, contamination, for instance. And you can, if you remember, was the running time was almost 3 seconds, but for the first time, I think it will be decreased. Let's see, select another image. I can see it's minimized. So when you try to load the model, it will take much time. But now, for instance, for 600 milliseconds for one image for using FastAPI, it's too much indeed, and just to detect the anomalies. So let's see here, 40 milliseconds, 400. And you can see this is the image, this is the heat map, and this is the defected image. And here you have the anomaly of this image, the classification, and also the analysis time. So let's do that again. For instance, this image here, 50. And also it depends on the load of your system indeed. So let's see this one here. So you can see at least it's detecting some, I mean the defect, the real defect of this image. But as we have seen here, the image size is about 9 gigabytes, which is really huge. I will see when you try to run this in the cloud, and for the space you need maybe to pay um, maybe more money or much money for this. And next time I will try to show you how to reduce the size of this image till maybe less than one gigabyte, and we will see how to do this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.